Howdy, y'all. Just in case you don't recognize me, it's Eric Maykus. Ain't seen me in a while. I've been busy. Besides, I'm hiding behind all this face mask in compliance with our governor's order. Anyway, I'm up here in the Lakes of Argyle dropping off something I think that's going to be really cool that y'all are going to like to see, especially if our homeowners decide to go this way. It's a way to take something that we love to put on homes, and it's Hardie board, just because it's so durable. It just will last basically for the lifetime of the home, and yet give it the look and feel of wood. So hey, let's go over here and look at these samples I'm going to drop off. Now, we're not dropping these off. These are not particularly the colors these homeowners might choose, but it's just an example of how the Hardie board can be treated to give it the appearance, especially from a distance, of real wood. We're going to get the durability, fire resistance, all the great things we love about Hardie boards, but still yet be able to give this home a nice warm feeling that wood brings. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see what our homeowners up here pick. Well, anyway, this is Eric at Maykus. You guys be safe out there. Take care, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye now.